classroom, you're going to find a lot of things happening simultaneously. I'll have a group of students who are working on the computers, working with digital imaging. There'll be some students in the darkroom using traditional silver-based technologies, and then there'll be some students most likely in the studio that are setting up lighting situations and using lighting technologies. They have access to 4 or 5 different softwares that they use between Photoshop, Adobe Bridge. They use Illustrator, Painter. When students learn these skills, they're learning industry standards. It's the same skills or subset of skills that they're going to be using in a business, in a corporation. It's the state-of-the-art technology, and when students can leave here and apply those skills to a product, they're much more marketable. One of the things I personally get excited about as a teacher is when I see students teaching other students. In this photo classroom, everyone has a different question at the same time. I'll answer a question, I'll guide one student one-on-one. That student will then teach another student. And that to me is empowering the students, and that's exciting. We're fortunate enough to have really nice technology support. We've just purchased 10 brand new iMacs with large screens for graphics. They have a lot of memory on them, so it allows the students to work really fast. You need really high-powered equipment to run the high-powered industry software. We also have purchased about 5 new digital cameras. We check these out to students for a couple of days at a time. We've got lighting technologies, we've got darkroom technologies, all kinds of computer things, scanners, negative scanners, and flatbed scanners. We're pretty well endowed with technology. And that just helps us produce more and produce better. When a student walks out of the darkroom, or when their print comes off the inkjet printer and they just pick it up and they're beaming and they bring it over to you and they're just so excited about it, and it's usually for a good reason because they've produced something that's really, really awesome and powerful.
You're seeing a group of 4th and 5th graders prepare for the first LEGO League international competition in robotics. In the competition, they have to build and program the robot to accomplish 9 tasks in 2.5 minutes. Children were figuring out how to put in place renewable energy sources. They have a mission mat and a set of real-world problems to solve. LEGO Mindstorms was invented at MIT, and it's actually based on LabVIEW software, which NASA uses. Children are using a real programming language that professionals use, adapted for robotics. The Mindstorms system uses servo motors in toy form, designed for children, but the engineering is the same. They have to come up with mechanical solutions to problems, figure out how to build it, and then of course program it to make the behaviors completely autonomous. And those are exactly the kinds of things that people are doing with robotics in our community and in our world. Jobs that are repetitive or dangerous for people, robots are increasingly doing. So children are getting the experience of planning solutions that will be the real solutions in their future. Using those tools requires them to develop the human skills that go along with them. They're also working as a team. The tools to collaborate, listen to each other, and then persist in the problem solving are the skills that go through life.